I'm going to make a video on how good my Dyson works. Hello, Dyson. Well, that works real good. Let's try this part over here. Yep, that's great. Push that dirt. Nope, just push it around.